welcome to the Witch's Cauldron. My name's Paula. You ready for another prosperity spell? You can do it in about 60 seconds. The next time you go to wash your floors and you need some extra money to come into the house, add just a little pinch of basil to your hot mop water and then mop from your front door back to the southeast corner of your home, and that will bring cash into the household. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel before you leave. And as I always say, my friends, merry we did meet, merry we will part until we merry meet again. Be well and walk in love and light, everybody. Bye.